Hi guys. In the last lecture we had discussed about the characteristics of living things, and now we'll be studying in detail each one of these. Okay. So living things, the characteristics we had said that they have growth, reproduction, and metabolism. Okay. Now, in the first step, we will be discussing growth of the living things. Now, growth. It is defined as irreversible change in organisms due to accumulation of organic matter from within. It is defined as irreversible change in organisms due to accumulation of organic matter from within. So basically there are three criteria. The growth exhibited or shown should be irreversible. The irreversible growth should be due to accumulation of organic matter, and it should be from within. 3 points. Okay. Now let us understand what do we actually mean. Irreversible, in very simple terms, which cannot be reverted back. Okay. If a plant cell swells up or an animal cell swells up by accumulating fluid, water solution into it, it can be reversed back. So basically it's not growth. It's not growth also because the fluid which has been accumulated is water, and this water is not inorganic matter. It is inorganic substance. So basically it can be reverted back, first thing, and it is not due to accumulation of organic matter. Third, from within, which means that the organisms should produce something which also should accumulate, leading to enlargement of the body. That is defined as the growth of organisms, right? So in nutshell, we can simply write the three criteria and move ahead, right? Growth, first thing, irreversible change due to accumulation of organic matter from within. Okay, now further detail of this topic, growth. We need to discuss about the growth of unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. this is basically to differentiate. Is there any difference in the growth of the unicellular and multicellular organisms? Both of them have cells. So why the difference? Now see, it's very easy to understand that it is difficult, almost impossible, for we people or scientists to count each and every bacteria. But it is more convenient, rather, to actually see increase in the area occupied by the bacterial colony. And for example, initially bacteria were distributed in this area. After some time, what we saw is the bacteria have spread onto this area. Right? So we can say that the population growth is basically the growth that we consider in case of the unicellular organism. Okay, but it is easy to count the multicellular organisms, right? In fact, this fundamental or this concept can be applied to all microorganisms. Microorganisms include viruses, bacteria, and fungi. So basically, if you're talking about the fungi, which are multicellular organisms, you can use this concept. You can say the fungi was spread onto this area. Let us suppose this is a piece of bread. There was a very tiny spot where the fungi could be seen, and now the fungi has occupied almost half of the bread. Okay, so this can be used for microorganisms. You can say this is related to the growth of the unicellular, or you can say it is related to the growth of the microorganisms. Increase in the population marks or results in the growth of the microorganisms. Multicellular organisms. To understand this, we need or we would differentiate between the growth in plants and the growth in animals. Okay. Here we have differentiated between the growth of unicellular organisms or microorganisms from the growth of the multicellular organisms. Okay. Now before we move ahead, if we just talk about the unicellular organisms, once again, we can develop some understanding from this. What is happening over here? In unicellular organisms, growth and reproduction are mutually inclusive events. They are mutually inclusive events. Whenever we see growth of a microorganism, it is due to reproduction. Or you can say, whenever the organisms, microorganisms would reproduce, they would lead to, or this reproduction would lead to the growth of the microorganisms or the unicellular organism. Why is it so? Because here we are talking about the population growth. We are not talking about individual growth. Okay? Definitely, bacteria grows, but it is seen that when the bacteria grows, it doesn't become or can get converted into a complex organism. What happens is the bacteria, after some time, it divides into two, which is most likely in many of the unicellular organisms, including amoeba, including trypanosoma, including euglena, clematomonas, and so on. Okay? So basically, growth in case of unicellular organisms on the microorganisms is inclusive of reproduction. It includes reproduction. Okay? And because of this statement, what we can say is, in multicellular organisms, the plants and animals, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. It is not necessary that if one organism or some organisms of a multicellular organism population is dividing or reproducing, right? It is, you cannot generalize this thing. You cannot say this thing that in a population of plants or in a population of animals, if one organism or some organisms are reproducing, the population would grow. It might be compensatory. Because a population of 100 individuals, right, 40 died. Now the new population size is 60. 100 minus 40 is 60. Some organisms reproduced. The remaining which were alive, they reproduced. And again the population was set to 100. It was again restored to the initial size. Okay. And you can also say that the growth in an organism would not always be related to reproduction. The plants, they keep on growing. You would see new leaves arising, new branches forming, and after some time during the reproductive season, it's a time basically, then it begins to flower. When it flowers, it produces fruits, right? So it would keep on growing for a significant period of time, and then it would reproduce. So basically it has two phases, the vegetative phase and the reproductive phase within its life cycle. Okay. Now these vegetative phases may be several times, and these reproductive phases might also be several times, right? Hence we use this term, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events in the case of multicellular organisms. Okay.